after you fitted the new thermostat washer, you always start with this one before you mount this. Because it's easier, I removed the battery here to get more cover, space to work on. And when you connect the wheel, the tubes, it's better, you may forget number 2, 3, 4, especially these two, because these two are the same thickness, so that you do not get confused. This numbering you do before you, of course, take off the tubes, and then the hoses, and then you have, when you install it, have a nice soapy solution there, some sunshine liquid or something, that dishwashing liquid, and then you just dip it in the water, nice solution, and then just wet the outside of this extension on which you must mount the tube, in order for the tube to go on more easily. I do not think it's a good and a wise idea to use oil to lubricate these extensions, because the oil may be for a long time there, and whilst the soapy solution will just evaporate and dry out, and it's not necessarily then to worry about the thing that's slippery.